Jason here. This is your aftermarket update for February 20th, 2015. So this is going to be the first video in our Top Step Trader Combine review series, where I am going through a Top Step Trader Combine and attempting to get through one of their combines. So again, many of you know that I have made it through to their two Top Step Traders Live trader program, funded trader program, made it through their combines. I did that back in 2012. And what we are doing now is we are establishing a relationship with the Oil Trading Group and Top Step Trader. And so what I am doing here as an exercise, not only for our existing room members, but also just for the Top Step Trader program process, I am going through a combine, and we are posting the results on a day-to-day basis on our blog site. So on Friday, we had two trades. We had a trade that looked to get us short around the 82 to 90 area, and I'm going to go through specifically with the specific entries. And I ended up getting taken out for 10 ticks. And then I took the second trade off of that same area that ended up working out very, very well. We came down all the way down to our target, and it ended up being a very productive day. In fact, we made just a little over $1,000 on our first day of our combine with the top folks over at Top Step Trader. So in just a moment, I'm going to let you watch the two trades of the day that we had here. The video lasts about 25 minutes once you get into the video. Let me tell you why I got short where I did, and then I'll let you watch the two trades of the day. So basically, this is your weekly volume profile chart, and I had a major resistance zone at this 51.77 up to 52, with the real sweet spot being right around this 51.90 level, right around this 51.90 level. And if you take a look back on the previous day's action, this is your volume profile. The point of control was 51.79, but you could see that there was a good concentration of volume right around that 51.90 area. So settlement on the day also was 51.83. And again, I had that major area right around the 51.90. So I'm going to show you on a 5-minute chart here really quickly the area that I'm talking about right here. So again, as we were leading, wrong chart. As we were leading into the open, we were forming a range, with the bottom of that range being around 51.99 and the top of that range being at 52.38. But prior to the open, we had a nice range from 51.90 down to 51.56. So you had two areas here of ranges, and with the predominance being leading into the open right around that 51.90 area. So what we were doing in the trade room today, after the pit open, we did break down through the 90 level. We came down to 65, and then we came back up again around the 51.88 level. And what you're going to see here during my trade is I'm going to get short at, I'm going to get short at 89, and then I move it down to just below settlement, which settlement on the day, again, from the prior day was 51.83, and I expected settlement to provide us with a little bit of resistance. We actually come up and get the 51.96 or 51.95 area. And so I had a 10-tick stop, took me out up here, and then you're going to watch me get short again as we get this reversal bar and we begin to move down. Our target down there today was 51.24, and you can see that we hit that 51.24 level. I talk about in the video possibly getting down to 51.11, and actually I take myself out, I think, around 29 before we actually get to 24. But what you're going to see here is we did have this reversal formation. We came back up, we got short, took me out for 10 ticks. I got this reversal formation, we got back under 90, and then we rode this move all the way to the downside. So again, if you can, you'll see on the blog here, you'll see the screenshot of our first combine trading day, and you'll be able to see the two trades in their entirety. Like I said, this is going to last about 25 minutes. These two trades last about 25 minutes. So without further ado, here are the two OTG trades for the day. All right, I'm going to short the 89 level. I'm going to look to get short at 89. 12 tick stop. Short at 89. 12 tick stop to 01. Yeah, it's going to depend on where it closes, Hassan, for sure. It's going to deploy. This bar right here does look like, but if this one closes down below its entry and into the further down around the center point of the previous bar, we'll see. I still like 89 short. I think you're going to run into initial resistance at 89. And that is your center point. There's 79.80. 155 limit order short right now at the 80 level. 83 is settlement. Well, we're about to find out here, aren't we? 01 will be my stop. We got up to 84 there. 83 is settlement. Minute 50 left on this candle. Okay, there's 84, 85, 90 short here. Bring this down to 92. The entry's at 92, and the stop will be 95. 82, stop 95. There's 80, 81. And I'm in at 82. Stop is 94 here. First target is 72 down below. There's 85, 86. And I maybe should have waited for the 89 level. We'll see. $96 on the stop here. There's 89.90. That's, we'll see. I'm expecting 90 to hold here. I was expecting settlement to hold, but it didn't. So let's see. We'll get ready to get to break even here fairly quickly. Clear out the book here right now. 96 on the stop here. 96 on the stop. And you need 90 to hold. There's 90, 89. We closed below 90. So now we need to come back down through here. Back in the range. Okay, you got a gap bar here that needs to be filled down to at least 82. Come on, 88, 87. Come on, get through that 87, 86. 70 orders have hit the bid at 87 here. We got to get through those orders at 87. There's 86 again. All right, 10 ticks on the stop to 82. 10 ticks to 82 on the stop. 92 rather. 92 on the stop. 10 ticks to 92. And out at 10 ticks. I'm expecting 90 to hold. And it should have probably been and stayed around that 89 level. And we got right to the tick. All right, I'm going to make this an 89, 88 short here. And look, there it goes. Yep, I'm going to make an 88 short attempt here again. With a stop at 94. Going to be a stop at 94. 6 ticks. I think 88, 80, I think this 90 is going to hold. Okay, stop is 90. See if I can get it here in time. I could. 96 on the stop. 96 on the stop. Eight ticks to 96. First target, 78. You've got 32.5 minutes here. Structure mid is at 01 up there. You know what? 02 is your stop here. We may come up to 01, the structure mid, and I don't want this thing to tag me and then go. We may come up to the structure mid up there at 01, 02. So 14 ticks here, but we'll bring it back down here if we get underneath it. We got to get underneath 90. You've got 2 minutes left on this bar. First target down there at 78. We get down to the 83 level again, and we can't get through it. We'll go to break even here. You got 190 at 00 up there. 190 at 00. Limit order short. There we go. Oh, there's 83. Come on. Did you hit 83? Is that where we just spiked down to? 82. Okay. We got to 95. Come on. Stay with it here. Come on. Get through 84, 83. Okay. Stop at break even here. It's either going to go or it's not for us. Stop at break even. Stop at break even. Come on. 82. 81, 80. Come on. Get through 80, 79. Give me those first 10 ticks. 80. Come on. 80, 79, 78. Give me those first 10 ticks here. Stop it. There's 10. Okay, good. All right. Stop is now at break even plus 1. Second target is 20 ticks to 68. You know what? Second target is that 61 level down below. 61 is the second target. 61 is the second target. And I got taken out up there a little bit soon on that first move down. That's okay, though. This is where I thought we would, definitely thought we would hold there. So second target is down there at 61. And stop is break even plus 1 now. You've got the bottom of the hour here that we... Oh, sorry. Never mind. We've already gone through it. Never mind. You've got an announcement in 5 minutes here. 61 is the target down below. Second target down below is 61. And then final target is down around the 22 level. Final target is down around 22. There's 17. All right, see if we can get through 71, 70. 61 is final target down there. We've got longs backfilling here at 71. Cool. That's what we want right there. All right, 83 is the trailing stop, break even plus 5 to 83. 61 is the secondary target. There's 66, 65. Some longs coming back. There's 63, 62. Okay, we got the 62 here. 61 is the target. 65, 64. Come on. Finish the move up here. 64. Let's go 63, 62 here. Okay. We get up to 68, and I'm going to take it out here. Okay, there's 68. All right, I'm out at 20 on the second. And trailing stop is back up to break even +1 now to 87. This is probably going to come on down into it, into your 62 level. We did hit the revision signal or the structure signal here. You know what I can do here? I will do this though. I will add one at 49 down below. I'll add one at 40. I'll add one at 49. I will add one at 49, although we may get a rejection down there. We need to be careful with that. Yeah, I'll add one at 49 and we'll see. There's 64, 63. I was going to have the target at 61. Break even +1 now at 87 on the stop. Okay, there's 54, 53. There's 51. 108, limit orders long. We got to be careful right here at this 50. Yep, all the way down to 34. Target is 22. Target is 22, so we've got 2 lots on. You got a 2 lot on here. And we're going to bring the trailing stop down below the entry here. We're going to bring it down to about 61 right now. 61 here. Okay, the bottom of that range was 61. We haven't closed below that low. We're going to look to get out of this at 22 down below. 22 down below. I'm going to get out of this at 24 down below. Not 22, but 24 rather. So you're now 20. Okay, we hit structure mid. So we're going to bring this trailing stop down to 55, break even +10 to 55 for now. We've been down to 35. 34. You had 101 limit orders hit the orders hit the bid at 35. 24 is the target. 24 is the target. 65, that'd be 40 ticks. 25 is the target in case we just hit 24 and don't get through it. Okay? So 25 is the target. 40 ticks down here for the target. On 2 now. ES is screaming to the downside. There is a potential long on the ES at 2084, but take that how you see it. 2084 is where I would look. If not, 2078 quarter is the more conservative long. And you should get a reaction. In fact, I'm fairly certain you'll get a reaction at 2078 quarter on the ES, a fairly decent reaction. So I'm break even +10 right now. Come on, finish this move to the downside here, please. 52 was that previous low. I think we're going to get down to my level, but we'll see. Down there at 25, but we may not. We got down to 32. And now you got to deal with the retracement here. And I'm going to bring the trailing stop to 56. Okay. We'll see. I am looking for 50 to hold here. Problem is, it may come up into the top of this range up here at 51. 61 rather. Bring the stop to 63 here. I'm going to bring the trailing stop to 63. Break even plus 2. I'm going to let this thing try to get to where it needs to get to. You got a minute till the announcement. We'll see if the announcement shakes things up. 63 is the trailing stop now. I believe we'll get down to 25. It's just how, right? And then you've got the structure signal up here at 61. And you may retrace back up to 56 to 61. But it's a free trade at this moment, right? It's a free trade at this moment. You got a minute 30 left here on this bar. Well, we came down to the market structure mid almost to the tick. Yeah, break even plus 1 to 64. It's a free trade at that point. I'm going to try and let this thing roll to the downside here. And again, like I said, that 61 is the bottom of the range. We came down. I expect this to get, sorry, that's the bottom of the range before this one. And so, again, I'm still expecting any targets down below 24. Yeah, you got to target 50, 58. 50, 58 is your target down below, Jay. And the announcement in about 30 seconds. Medium impact announcement, not that big a deal. We said that the long on the ES was 2084. We came down to 2084 quarter. That's the way that those levels work. They go one tick, and you've now 3-point bounce off of that ES level. When and if you get down, there is an excellent long at 2078 quarter on the ES as well. All right, come on down through it here. Come on down through 45, 44. Let's get through 9 on the bid at 45. There's some longs backfilling here. We've had 40, 50, 70 now at 46. Come on, get through 43, 42 now. Let's go. Trying to hold on to this here. Trying to get all the way down to our target at 25, which is where I expect us to get to truly. Maybe even as deep as 11. I'm going to take this one. We're going to take one more down to 11. We're going to take one off at 25, and I'll move the other one down to 11 just to see what happens here. See if that actually is indeed the case where we can get to 11. And we got down to 41. Let's go see if we could test down below here. Thank you, Paulette. Got down to 41 now. What do we want to do to protect? We're going to go back to break even plus 9 to 56. It's either going to go or it's not. Down to 56. 25, I'm going to take one off at 25 and then look down there at 11. 56 is the trailing stop here. Come on, get through 42, 41. Looking for 25 is the target here. And then maybe as deep as 11 on a push through. So I'm going to take one off down there. We're going to take one off at 25. Get through the low, 33, 32. Going to take one off at 25. Okay, come on, get through the low. 33, 32. Gonna go ahead and bring this down to, there's 28, 27. Come on, finish it here. Bringing that down to 51 on the trailing stop here. Pretty close to 25, but I think we'll go ahead and finish it. I think we'll go ahead and touch it down there. I think we'll go ahead and touch it. Let's see. 33, 32. Then I'm looking at 11. Come on, 30, 29. Come on. Get through 29, 28. $48 here on the trailing stop. Come on, 29, 28. Fight your way through it here. Fight your way down through it here. We should get there. We should get there. All right, new bar in a minute 40. The bottom of the range is 21. We should get to 25 then. The bottom of that range is 21. We should get to 25. Let's clear out the book here. We got longs coming back in at 32, trying to provide support there at 32. I'm going to try to live through this candle here. $31.30. Come on. 29.28. Let's get to that 25 level. Come on, you can do it. 27. There's hit but no fill at 25, and there's your target at 25 hit. And now the remaining one goes off the board at 41 now. Or 11 as the target down below. Otherwise, it's break even to 40 here. Break even at 41 rather. Yeah, that's what we thought would happen down there. So we got there. We had 43 filled down there, which is good. I still think you're going to be okay. And I'm going to look down there at 11 as the target, as the next target down below. Final target down below is 11. But it may not get down there. Candidly, it may not get down there. So I'm at break even now at 41 on the trailing stop here. $11 is that final target down below. There's 25, 24. The bottom of that range. All right, let's do this. Let's go to 36 on the trailing stop now. 36 on the trailing stop. 11 down there is the next target. 24 may hold here. 24 may end up holding. You know what? We're going to go ahead and take it out right now at 29. I'm going to go ahead and take it out right here at this area. $29. All right, and out. All right, so as you can see, I went ahead and took it out around that 29 area. What I didn't want it to do is come down and get close enough. We came down to this 26, and then we bounced, got as high as 47 before it all came all the way back down. In the video, you also heard me talk about getting down potentially all the way as deep as 5111, and that was where one of the targets were located. And I decided again to take it all out there 29, and it ended up getting as low there as 5104. It did come down a little bit deeper as we ended the day, but again, that was pretty close. 23 here. This is the second target on the measured move off your ranges down here at 23, which is another reason why I was interested in getting something off of it, because I was afraid we might have gotten close enough to that and not been able to quite get deep enough to take out my target. But either way, ended up being a very nice day here at the Oil Trading Group, and so we'll get after it again on Monday and see where it ultimately takes us. So again, as always, I want to say thank you for spending time with us here, watching our videos, keeping up with our information. And until Monday, I want to wish you good luck and good trading.